Hey, what up, you guys? So I'm back again with another friend mail. This one is from my friend LaLa's Land. She's getting married next year, and I already sent this to her. She already did a video on her channel. I'll leave her link down below. If you aren't subscribed to her channel and you want to check her out, she does amazing Dollar Tree hauls. She's awesome. Just check her out if you haven't already. So I'm going to start off with these water goblets from Dollar Tree, and I bought these vinyl stickers from Michael's. It says soon to be Mrs. The Lucky Mister. It's in gold with a little heart. Super cute. It's like $5 from Michael's. You can use a coupon if anything. I used the glasses from Dollar Tree and also the ribbon and the tool from Dollar Tree. And actually hubby put them on there for me, because if I would have done it, I probably would have done it crooked or whatever. So I asked him and he did it for me. It's pretty simple, you guys, and it turned out super cute. And the next thing I purchased from this place called Amazing Savings around my neighborhood was this beautiful simple white bouquet. I just figured maybe I don't know what she'll do with it, but I didn't want to leave it behind. It was like $3 or something, so it was just super cute. And I also made a pocket letter, of course, and I used the not Dollar Tree, you guys, I'm sorry, Michael's stickers and Michael paper. I also used some tulle and this cute little ring. It's a fake ring, and I just attached it on there. I used paper from Michael's. They were like single sheets. And I also used some doilies, some washi tape, some stickers. These stickers were really pretty, you guys. They actually were 3D, and some of them had fabric on it. It was super pretty. Like tulle, a little bit of tulle. And I actually placed the stickers on top. This little section here says something old, something new, something borrowed, something blue, and I added a little blue stone. And this just came out so pretty, and I had so much fun making it. So I'm going to turn it around so you can see what I inserted on the back. I also covered the little fuse part where the shaker is with some pearl beads that I got in friend mail. In the back, I added some sequins, some bling, some flower stickers, some bridal stickers, some more bling, some little hearts, and some like flat back pearls and other blings from Michael's, I believe. So I'm just going to take it and wrap it up and then place it in this doily that I reused from friend mail that my friend Cornflower sent me a pocket letter in this, and I just reused it. And I'm going to take this tool, wrap it around, make a cute little bow, and there you go. I also created this cute little card, and I used paper, a doily, washi tape, and some stickers and those little ephemera pieces. And then the inside says, the best is still to come. And it's a little card. If she wants to use it, she can, with a little paper clip. I add a little sticker there, and in the back I just put handmade by CruzzinwithCrystal and a little like sticker. And then I also created this cute little envelope with my envelope punch, and I just layered up some stickers in the front. I put some tulle, some Velcro, and that's pretty much it. And the card goes in there. I also picked up this beautiful card from Dollar Tree. It says, celebrating the bride-to-be. Here's to laughter, love, and memories in the making. And then the inside says, hurry up, Crystal. Life can be so busy when you're soon to be a bride, with so much to prepare for, to consider and decide. But while you're keeping busy dreaming happy dreams for two, the rest of us are busy hoping all your dreams come true. And this is a Hallmark card, you guys, from Dollar Tree. And when I saw it, I was like, this is perfect. And I had already made the card prior, so I was like, you know what, I'm gonna send her both. I saw this cute cosmetic bag. It says bride cosmetic bag. It says bride. It was only $1 from this place called Amazing Savings. And then this beautiful frame from Dollar Tree, and I'm glad she didn't get a chance to pick it up, because I got it for her, and that's just cute. And she could just put her little picture in there when she gets married. And then I also, guys, created this beautiful loaded bag or loaded pocket out of paper from Michael's that I bought. And I got inspired to create this from my friend CraftJunkie. I'm going to leave her link down below. Go check her out. She did a tutorial on how to create this. This literally took me 5 minutes. Her steps were awesome, you guys. So go check out my friend CraftJunkie. Let her know I sent you. It is extremely simple. You use a 12 by 12 paper. It's one paper. You don't even need to cut anything. You just need to, you know, fold it in certain ways, and she explains it very well. I decorated it, add some stickers and paper clips, and LaLa does go through everything. So if you guys want to see what I insert, just check out her channel. And then I picked up this bubble wrap, or what is it called? Cushion wrap from Dollar Tree. I'm gonna wrap everything up so nothing breaks. And I also picked up this L sticker and the G sticker from Michaels, and some paper from Michaels. I just paste it down so when she opens it up, it's like a cute little surprise. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I had a fun time creating this for her. She absolutely loved it. And if you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up. I hope you guys get inspired to do cute things like this and personalize it for your friends. And if you guys have any questions or anything like that, leave them down below and I will get back to you there. And stay tuned for more videos and upcoming DIYs. Alright guys, bye.